Hot Damn from My Glam Popaxo collection. Now what is that? Confused? Want to have proper idea? Keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. From the initial intro as well as from my face, if at all you all are interested in knowing the full detail of the new particular collection from My Glam, that is the with the Popaxo, then if you are here, then let's begin with the video. First thing, I'll just let you know, My Glam, you all know, in My Glam they have come up with different collections. Like they have Manish Malhotra collection, they have Pose collection, they have Lit collection. Recently they have come up with a collection with my Popaxo beauties. Now in Popaxo they have different things. I have my notes over here, so if at all I'm watching here, then please don't mind. In that they have eyeshadow kits, they have face and eye kits, they have lip kit, they have 12 eyeshadow pan, the 12 eyeshadow palette, they have nail polish kit, and they have one face kit. Alright, now what I have got right now for you is My Glam with Popaxo makeup collection face and eye kit. It is in the variant Hot Damn. I'm going to tell you each and every detail about this particular product. It includes blush, highlighter, a setting powder and eyeshadow. That is what is included in this. Now we'll just talk about the outer packaging. The outer packaging is kind of a pink, baby pink color. They have each and every detail in the bold letter. They have given you Hot Damn written over here. That is the variant name, Hot Damn face and eye kit. As I told you, what all it includes, I have told you. When you just flip the packaging, over there they have told you each and every detail. The manufacturing, the expiry. Manufacturing is 0821, the expiry is 0724. So total 3 years of shelf life you are going to get. The MRP is 459 rupees. As I told you in my demo also, again I am telling you, 459, but they have 20% initial introductory offer, and if at all on top of it, if you are using my referral code, you may save some more money. So I'll give you the buying link as well as my referral code, everything. It will be pinned in the comment section, so you can go ahead and you can check. It is proudly made in India product. The net content of this particular all the product is 11 gram. Now what all, which product contains what, they have not given you any kind of bifurcation. They have just told you 11 grams. So in 11 grams total you are going to get 5 powders, that is 5 products. Now what, I'll tell you. One is the translucent powder, they have named it as OG. Then you have a blush, the name of the blush in this is Me Time. Then you have the highlighter, it is Gotta Glow. Then you have 2 eyeshadows, the base, the matte eyeshadow is D&D, and the shimmery one is the Heat Snooze. Right now whatever you can see on my face, it is created by this face palette only. And while applying the blush over here, I applied accidentally little bit more because I was not aware of the pigmentation. So if at all you feel that this side is little more and this side is little less, then please don't mind, because I've tried to make it proper, but still at the end of the day, even I'm a human being, I can make a mistake. So if on camera, because in person I cannot see the difference, but on camera if you feel it is that way, then I'm extremely sorry. Now let's move towards the inner packaging. For inner packaging, we'll just have to slide this off. This is the outer packaging, just keep it aside. This is the inner packaging, same exactly, everything is given over here exactly on the back side. Whatever details they have given you on this, on this outer packaging, same details they have given you on the inner packaging as well. So I'm not going to read. The shade names are only given on the outer packaging. It is not mentioned in the inner packaging. So if at all you want to know the shade names, you have to keep this. The manufacturing, expiry, MRP, the net content, the customer care details, everything, as well as the ingredients for each and every product. That is for blusher what they have used, for setting powder what they have used, for highlighter what they have used, as well as for eyeshadow what they have used. They have given each and every detailed over here. All the ingredients are given over here. So that is a plus point. Plus this is a made in India product. So definitely a good purchase. Now in this they have 2 variants. One is Hot Damn and other one is Rise and Shine. But I have got the Hot Damn one variant. Now I've told you the inner packaging, I've told you the outer packaging, I've told you the each and every content and everything. Now this is cruelty free product, and when you open this product, it is good to go for 18 months. That is what is mentioned over here with the 2 symbols. right? That is what is special I need to mention. And commodity they have given is face and eye makeup, so that is all okay. So now what we will do is we will just move towards the demo. In the demo I'll show you each and everything, but before that I'll just show you the hand swatches of all the products. Directly I'll show you, I won't show you one. Now you all can see this is first the setting powder, the second one is blush, the third one is the highlighter. Right, now I'll just take eyeshadow and I'll show you. Yes, now this is the matte eyeshadow, right? And this is the topper, that is you can apply it on top of it. And what I have done the same thing. The matte I have applied on all over the lid, and I have applied this on top of it. I have not used any other palette besides this. So if at all you feel this is not enough or this is not your cup of tea, then yes, this all products are only you are going to get. No other shades, nothing in this particular palette. So with this is the basic look what you can create. And for the like look part, I can say yes, very good, travel friendly, yes, but cost factor you have to keep in mind. So now what we will do, we'll move towards the demo. Yes, now the base makeup is already done. I'll just tell you a few of the things which I have used for the base makeup. Whatever is MyGlam products, I'll tell you that only. Rest all products I have used my own. First I have used MyGlam Pose HD Foundation Stick. I have already done a separate review video on this. If possible, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you at all wants to see that, you can definitely go ahead and you can watch. This is the foundation stick I have used. Then for the lips, I have already done a separate video for this MyGlam Popazzo collection mini lip kit. Already that video again up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can check. And in that I have used the attention shade on my lips. Okay, so this is the lipstick. Rest all things, the powder and all I don't have to, because powder it's given over here. Now in this face kit, if you all have seen, this is the face kit. I have already shown you while showing the intro and everything of this. It contains one face powder which is of white color. It contains two face products, that is one is blush and one is highlighter. And for eyes they have given you only two shades. One is only you can use for full lid, and other one you can just top it up on the lid. That's it. So what I am going to do, first I'll do the eye part and then we'll move towards the face part. So I'll do it in front of camera only, so that you will come to know how it applies and all. So first I'll take a small brush, I'll just take and I'll try to do it. You all can see this is the applied one and this is the not applied one. You all can see the difference. So what I'll do, I'll just apply on the other eyelid also. So this is on the other eyelid. Now what I'll do is I'll try to first see whether the brush is directly taking the shimmer shades, that is this shade. If not, then I'll try to use it with the setting spray. If not, then I'll directly apply with my fingers. So first I'll check with directly the brush. I'm not getting enough pigmentation. Little bit better. I'll try to apply with my finger. Let me see how it applies. Yeah, you all can see. Right, now the eyes are done. I cannot see any fallout on my face. Now what we'll do is we'll move towards the face part. Now my only concern is whenever you see a blush pan or something, like they have given the translucent powder, the big pan. For the blush, at least they could have given a big pan, because I can take any of my blush brush or any brush. See, I don't think it will fit any brush. I'm not sure who uses such kind of brush, but still I'll try to like do this way and take the blush. Yeah, it is pigmented, you all can see. Don't worry, I will tone it down with the beauty blender. Yes, of course, the blush is pigmented. You can see it is already toned down. Still, if you want to tone down, you can do more. I think this much is enough. A little bit more, but then for camera, it is okay. Now what I'll do is I'll apply the highlighter. Now for highlighter, because the pan is so small, better I'll take my fingers. Now the demo is already done. Now what I'll do, I'll just go off the camera, I'll apply the liner and yes, I'm back. I have already applied the Superfood My Glam Superfood Kajal. It is in the shade Indigo. Let me see. Yeah, Indigo. The review video, separate review video for like showing you all the 3 kajals is already again up. I'll try to link that video again on the I button as well as in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can watch if at all you have not watched that video. And I have all 3 shades in that. So right now I have Indigo in my eyes, like on the waterline as well as on the top lash line. Top lash line you cannot see because right now it is like glitter, so it's not giving me that excellent effect, but it is there, right? So like now this is just the makeup details I wanted to give you. Now if you will ask me my final thoughts on this particular palette, it's a good palette, right? Keeping the price factor of 459 still high, but when if they have introduced, they have 20% off, and if at all you'll use my referral code, maybe you'll get some more discount, but still 459 rupees is pretty high. If you check any other brands, I do not want to take any other brand's name, but if you check other brands, they have eyeshadow, they have blush, they have highlighter, contour, lipsticks, as well as eyebrow powder, they have everything, and still their prices are pretty well priced. This I feel it's very small, tiny palette. They don't have mirror as well. You can just say 1 2 3 4 5 shades we are paying 459 rupees. You all can see this is 5 shades. Of course this is made in India brand. The packaging is quite good, the color payoff and everything okay, not top of the world or not okay, not that bad also, but only the price factor is a little bit high. So if at all you want to try My Glam products and you have not tried, you can go ahead and you can buy. But since I wanted to review this product, of course this is very travel friendly. It's like small, you can flip it in your purse also, even you can keep it in your jeans pocket also. It is that small. I can show you the size. You all can see this is my hand, this is my palm, in fact, sorry, not hand, palm. This is my palm, and you all can see even it is not up to my palm also, still one is left. So this is very small, travel friendly, yes. Ergonomical, that is easy to use, ease in use, I will say no, because for blush I find it the most difficult, because for me blush is the most important part for me in makeup, because for blushes we use the fluffy brush, and in this it's very difficult to get the brush into it. Highlighter we can manage, eyeshadows perfect size, and for this translucent powder they need not have to give such a huge pan, but they have given, okay, for that pan is okay, for translucent the pan is okay. Now rest is up to you. If you at all want to go ahead and you can buy, definitely you go ahead and you can buy it. Rest, the product is like the material, the inside material is good, only few of the points you need to keep in mind. And if at all you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel, and please don't go without liking the video. If at all you have any other video suggestions which you want me to give, like which you want me to make a video on, that also you can let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. I do make lot of reels over there, that is a short reels, some short reviews. Like if at all you want to just see this, I'll make a short reel over there and I'll upload. So if you want to just see the reels also, you can follow me there. I have lot of reels on lipsticks. If you are a lipstick lover, definitely you should follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and you can follow me over there, and you can DM me your difficulty or whatever you have related to any particular product. You can ask me there also. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.